Today I'm going to show you how to 3D rotate in CapCut step by step so you can create that clean perspective tilt effect that makes your videos look way more dynamic and professional. This is a super useful edit for reels, short form content, product shots, transitions, and any clip that needs a little extra motion and style. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut editing tips. First, open your project in CapCut and select the clip on the timeline that you want to rotate in 3D. This is important because the effect needs to be applied directly to the correct clip. Once your clip is selected, look at the top left and go to the Effects tab. In the Effects search bar, type Player 3, or if that doesn't show up right away, just type Player. CapCut should bring up the effect you need. Now drag that effect directly onto your clip. As soon as you apply it, you'll probably notice that CapCut adds a record player style animation by default. That's not the clean 3D rotation look we want. So the next step is to remove those extra visual parts and turn it into a simple plain effect. With the clip still selected, go to the effects panel on the top right. This is where you can fine-tune the effect and remove the unwanted parts. First, find texture and set it to 0. Then find glow and set that to 0 as well. Once both of those are turned off, the effect becomes much cleaner and you're left with the basic 3D style plain look. Now, it's time to control the rotation itself. In the same effects panel, look for the rotate sliders. This is where the real 3D movement happens. If you want to create a simple tilt, just move the rotate slider until the clip angles the way you want. You can adjust it slowly to get a subtle perspective look or push it further for a stronger dramatic angle. If you want the rotation to animate over time, this is where keyframes come in. Move the playhead to the point where you want the movement to begin, then add a keyframe. After that, move the playhead forward to a later point in the timeline and change the rotate value again. CapCut will automatically animate between those 2 points, which gives you that smooth 3D rotation motion. This is a really powerful technique because it makes a flat video feel much more cinematic and engaging. You can use it for intros, text reveals, product showcases, gaming clips, and social media edits where you want the viewer's attention to stay on the screen. The best part is that once you understand the setup, you can reuse it in almost any project. So let's quickly recap. Select your clip, open effects, search for Player 3 or Player, drag it onto the clip, then remove texture and glow to clean it up. After that, use the rotate sliders to tilt the video and add keyframes if you want movement over time. That's how you create a 3D rotate effect in CapCut. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and let me know in the comments what editing effect you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.